Hi guys, welcome back with me and warm wishes to all of you. In this fine morning, actually I was going to take care of my beautiful aloe vera, but suddenly I heard a crackling sound behind the pot. Did you see something, guys? Hey, look, there's something. Gosh, it was Miumiu. She told me that she had got a toothache and couldn't eat her carrot. And she was asking for help and feeling hungry. Guys, could we have her? Then I took her with me to the kitchen. I was slicing her carrot while she was asking me what I gonna do with her carrot. Yeah, honestly, I was thinking of it. Then I stirred them with a half of teaspoon salt. But she was fast. Apparently, she went back to the garden and there were whispers. What? Who's that? Oh, it was her friend Coco. They were talking about something like caterpillar? No, because it's about banana. Wait, my alarm. The cake is cooked. Could you see? It's very soft and delicious. Not too sweet and yummy for sure. Not sure if you noticed, but when we first met, Miumiu asked me her carrots were bought, but in a moment, they got half of the cake. They look like really hungry, man. They want to know how it was cooked. So I described that her stewed carrots were breaded with water and set aside. And then I used 3 eggs with 100 grams of sugar to make the mixture of the cake. And then I pour in the blended carrot and stir it well. After that, I 60 to 100 grams of all-purpose flour and stir to condense the mixture. And when it's all done, I added 3 grams of yeast and 160 milliliters of milk. And especially to you who use mixer could do all at once with flour. And when all is mixed well, cover the bowl with a plastic for 2 hours. And in the next 2 hours, put the plastic off and pour a half teaspoon of baking powder and also 50 milliliters of cooking oil. Then stir mixer well and pour it into the baking bowl and steam it for 45 minutes. And ready to be served. thank you for watching, and hopefully it's helpful and you enjoy the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you do. See ya.